So for grand finals, I'd like to give another shout out to the Cancer Awareness Committee for getting us this awesome venue. It's a nice room, nice projector, nice equipment. Just thank you guys so much for letting me get the space. Really appreciate it. Shout out to my mom and my dad, my family for helping me out, and just making sure that this tournament's possible. So we have Melee Grand Finals coming up. Tess from the winner's bracket and Minimouse from the loser's bracket. Alright, so game one, here we go. Looks like we're on Fountain and Green. Ooh, tries to go for the get up. Doesn't quite get it. That's a stable reaction to side B. Able to land a laser in there for a little bit of extra percent. Oh! Wall hops and gets the shine off of fountain. Off of the fountain. Oh, but a Minimouse can turn into a forward smash. Make sure that stock count doesn't get too out of control for him. Oh, this is the forward smash. Okay, nice shine on stage. Ooh, Tess gets punished by going off stage. You hear a little grab string here by Minimouse. Drops on the fourth grab though. And Tess brings it with an up air. Okay, double up air, back air not quite enough to kill, but he doesn't have a jump. Oh, he does have a jump, I was wrong. I always mess that up. But Fox is at a high percentage though, and this is Fountain Green, so he could die at a reasonably early percent here, if the Minimouse knows how to play his card. Ooh, this is the L cancel on that down here, but Tess is unable to capitalize. Oh, isn't quite able to get that wall jump shine spike, but he does get the up air. So Tess is going to take game one. We're jumping into game two. Just jumping right into game two on Battlefield. Oh, nice reaction there by Minimouse to punish them with shine. Oh, nice forward air to make sure that he got out of that drill shine. Just a lot of like going back and forth, just trying to feel each other out, make sure that, you know, the situation is right to approach. Oh! Tess recovery just below that neutral feed to make sure he doesn't get hit by that. Oh, and Sable landed that up there. Both characters are a lot higher percentages than they should be. Alright, so we have a 3-stock count now for both characters. They weren't that even. Oh, get the quadruple shine. Oh man, that is a 0-2 death for Tess and Kira. But right now, Tess is being very cautious about the way he approaches because he's like, okay, well, I have the lead right now, so maybe I shouldn't approach as much because, you know, maybe you'll approach me, and when you approach me, I can react to that and follow it up with the combo. Oh, follows it up with an up smash. That's dead Marth. So Tess right now is a solid 1.5 stock lead. At the very least. Okay. Everybody else able to get that kill. Oh, missed the up air. That would have been big. He would have got the up air on the top platform. But Shine will do it. And he had another stock to work with, so no harm, no foul. Got the music going off. Shout out to 20XX. Oh, we have a gentleman's agreement to mute City. This tight. I actually don't know a lot about this stage, about who it benefits. But right now I know what transition they're going to. They're going to the one by the tunnel. Or no, not the tunnel. I've played the stage for the one out in the open. Ooh. Not sure if up smash is the best option there. Right now, aminimouse really doing work on the stage, making it work perfect. Okay, smart on Tess to make sure to wait out that neutral B. Oh, just barely missed that off the match. That would have been certainly still people. Alright, we've been aminimouse taking a very slight lead here, taking the first stock up the head. And oh no, that's an up smash. So now we're at a very even game right now. Okay, gets the grab. Those platforms are really good for Marth right now. It doesn't last very long, but that stage transition I think really benefits Marth. Oh, we got the cars getting stuck. Okay, so we have the aminimouse with about a half a stock lead, so he's got a little bit to work with here. It seems like a lot of these stage transitions benefit Marth, but some of them also benefit Fox. Like, I think the tunnel one probably benefits Fox more than it does Marth. Oh. Isn't able to quite punish that return, or that side B returning the stage for Fox. We have a aminimouse very slowly increasing his lead. Now it's about a stock lead. Oh, and he's able to spot dodge that up smash. Okay, and just waits for the neutral B. Up throws, up air. Still about a stock lead though, so Tess is gonna have to do something good here. He's gonna have to do some work. But oh wow, Tess really bringing this back. Minimouse keeps trying to target the paint, it's really not working out. Wow, Minimouse barely making it through the stage. Tess really brought this back. Oh, both players kind of trying to stay in the air to avoid the cars. Mouse 0%. Definitely in a good position to hopefully maybe take this game. Both players getting juggled by the cars. Ooh, lands a couple neutral Bs there off the wall. And that forward smash is going to kill. Game 3 is going to go to Minimouse. So I think now they're doing Gentleman's Agreement jank stages, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what's going on. Okay, game 5 on green. Or no, game 4, I'm sorry. And we have Fox getting an infinite shine combo. But, oh, Minimouse is able to get out of it and grab. I don't know a lot about this stage either, but from what I saw there, I'd say when those things stack up, he could greatly benefit, or Fox could greatly benefit. And something else I noticed that Minimouse doing before to make sure that he can't get infinite shine combo like that again, he's just literally destroying the block to make sure that Fox can't get that shine combo. Very smart. Oh. Tess actually destroys some of the block itself. By accident. You gotta be careful about the bomb block as well. And follows it up with an up smash. Okay. Both players not really able to utilize the apples like they'd hope. Hits a bomb block, and there goes the stock from Tester. Alright, Minimouse able to get a nice up throw grab combo. Follows it with the back air. Oh, nice counter. He's countering pretty much repetitively just to make sure that he stays off stage, but it didn't last for long. And they both get hit by a bomb block? I'm not even sure what happened there. I think it was a bomb block. Oh, that's trying to utilize the apple. Got a hit. Started a combo by throwing off the apple. Doesn't quite get the infinite shine. Oh, I think what you were trying to do an up smash. Fox at 157%. I'm not sure if they did blast them. I think they're pretty big. But all Tess really needs to steal this game is a decent shine combo. Or maybe just an up throw to up air. Okay, aminimouse is able to make it back, but then just gets up smash. So it's going to be 3-1 Tess.